Good morning, everyone. Wishing you all a mindful Monday. Today is the 17th and it's my mama's birthday, so happy birthday, Mama. Shout out to her. Today I want to talk about slowing down. We know that it takes 20 minutes for our brain to catch up with our gut, to realize when we're full. So simply by slowing down, we can significantly reduce the amount of food we're consuming at each meal. But what are some ways that we can slow down? What are some tips and tricks? This is something that I heard from Dr. Susan Albers. She said to eat with your non-dominant hand. My dad made a oh-so-funny joke because he says, I'm ambidextrous and I can eat with both hands. But if you're not, which most people I would assume are not ambidextrous, go ahead and try it. I'm right-hand dominant, so I normally eat with my right hand. It's easy to control and I can do it really fast. But when I switch over to my left hand, it takes a little bit more focus. It takes more concentration, naturally helping us to slow down. And it might feel a little awkward and weird, and it's supposed to because we're not used to eating slow, most of us at least. So it's gonna feel weird to slow down, but give it a try. Try to do it for a whole meal or maybe just half the meal and use your non-dominant hand. Another thing that we can do is to simply put the utensil down between bites and let yourself sit there and chew for a little bit and then pick it up again, take a bite, put it back down so that you're not tempted to just keep shoveling it in. So those are some helpful hints, and let me know if they work for you. Feel free to comment below or send me a message. Maybe you have some other ideas on different ways to slow down. So I hope this serves you today, and have a mindful Monday. Enjoy your week, everyone.